From anti-COVID technologies to major achievements in the defense sector, DRDO has gained the expertise to meet futuristic threats from adversaries. In another significant attempt, Defense Research and Development Organization has developed an advanced JEF technology to safeguard fighter aircraft. This technology has been introduced to protect the Indian Air Force against hostile radar threats. Encouraging this development, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has also lauded DRDO, IAF and the industry for indigenous development of this critical technology, terming it as one more step of DRDO towards Atmanirbhar Bharat in strategic defense technologies. Let's learn more about this technology. To meet the qualitative requirements of Indian Air Force, advanced JEF material and JEF cartridge have been designed by DRDO laboratories. These laboratories are the Defense Laboratory located at Jodhpur and High Energy Materials Research Laboratory based out of Pune. Why is this technology important? Due to the advancement in modern radar threats, the survivability of fighter aircraft has been the prime concern in the current electronic warfare. Therefore, countermeasure dispensing system has been used to provide passive jamming against infrared and radar threats, which would be quite beneficial in ensuring the survivability of aircraft. The advanced JEF technology holds immense significance, which can be gauged from the fact that for ensuring the safety of the fighter aircraft, a very less quantity of chaff material deployed in the air acts as a decoy to deflect enemies' missiles. It is worth noting that the Indian Air Force has started the process of induction of this technology after the completion of successful user trials. To meet the annual ruling requirement of the Indian Air Force, the technology has been provided to the industry for production in large quantities. Moreover, the successful development of this advanced technology will help in strengthening the Indian Air Force. It is important to know that DRDO has a long list of indigenous developments that have strengthened the foundation of the nation. Earlier this year, DRDO has also developed an advanced JEF technology to safeguard the naval ships against enemy missile attacks. This JEF is a passive expendable electronic countermeasure technology that is used worldwide to protect naval ships from Army's radar and radio frequency missile seekers. Besides, several major projects for the development of missiles, armaments, light combat aircraft, radars, electronic warfare systems are being undertaken by DRDO, thus boosting the nation's mission to achieve self-reliance in critical defense technologies and systems. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.